In this video, we are going to explore the inequalities and regions and to show how the solutions of inequalities in the coordinate plane are represented. So let us start with the first example. Solve the inequality x less than 2 and represented on coordinate plane. Here represented we mean by the set of the solutions. So the solution set. Okay. Answer. Since we want to represent the solutions in the coordinate plane, we can start with the coordinate plane. And x less than 2 actually means choose all those points whose x coordinate is strictly less than 2, whereas the y coordinate can be chosen freely. Okay, so in solving the inequalities, we need to choose all those points in the coordinate plane that satisfy the condition x less than 2, and that means all those points whose x coordinate is strictly less than 2. So let us see a couple of points until we get the feeling of what the solution might be. Of course, you can pause the video and try. So if we take, for example, a point 3, 2, so 3 and 2, this is not a solution. Why? Because the x coordinate is greater than 2. But if we take the point minus 1 and 1, this is a solution. Why? Because this is less than 2. So we will make a straight line, vertical line through 2, but dotted because it is strictly less than 2. And we are going to shade everything which is left to that straight dotted line. And remember, we are not taking the dotted line, so this is what we are taking up to the line x equals 2, which is a vertical line. So you can have a look. And we can write solution, the part of the plane left to the vertical line x equals 2, excluding that line. Why excluding? Since it is x strictly less. Okay, so that is the first example. And we will do example 2. So again, the same, represent the set of the solution of the inequality. I will say y less than equal to x plus 1 on the coordinate plane. Again, you can pause the video and you can try, and here is the answer. So let us look at this inequality, and what does this say is take all those y coordinates that are less than 2x plus 1. Now what is 2x plus 1 geometrically? That is line. So whatever the y coordinate is, it has to be, so to say, below the line 2x plus 1. So this suggests a strategy. First, to draw the line 2x plus 1 on coordinate plane. So let us do that. One, two, three, four. 1, -1. Okay, so from the line we know that plus 1 is y-intercept. So it will pass through 1. And we can choose any other point. For example, if x equals 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, so 1 goes to 3. This is 3. And then we can draw the line through these 2 points. And this is the line 2x plus 1. Now we can see that the line 2x plus 1 divides the plane into 2 different areas, and I will shade them with different colors. It is this area, and let's say this here. So the blue and the yellow. Now the question is, which one contains the set? So blue or yellow? The easiest way to solve that is to choose one point from each and see whether it satisfies the inequality. So we can say this is -1, -2. Let us choose a point. This is point B, -2, 1. And let us choose the point, but do not choose the point on the, and this is point A, 2, 1. Except the straight line, because all points will satisfy there. So let us say point B. Basically we can choose only one point, because if it is not that point, then it is the opposite region with regard to the, so point B, x equals -2, y equals 1. So is y less than or equal 2 times -2 plus 1? Is that correct? So whereas y is 1, so is 1 less than or equal negative? No. So this is not correct. So B is not Therefore, it is there where A is. So let's just check for A. Is 2 less than 2 times 1 plus 1, which is 3. This is correct. So it is the region. Solution is the region containing A, and that's the blue region. So this is the solution. So this is not solution. So I will just remove this color. Okay, sorry. I will just leave that one. So it is the blue color, so it is the region which is satisfied by this inequality. So I hope for now these two examples show you how to solve the inequalities graphically, and later on we will have more examples. Thank you.